Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing the Volkswagen Polo GTI 6R door mirror, and we will be removing the door trim panel on the inside in the process. When we open the door, we will need to remove the cover which holds the mirror switch by getting in between the clip remover. It's fairly easy to do, and then we will unplug the mirror switch, followed by two torque screws, one to the top and one to the bottom. Remove both the torque screws. We need to remove the door trim panel because the cable for the mirror goes down inside towards the middle of the door panel. To the bottom there is another torque screw which we will need to remove, and then on the side there will be a little cover which we'll need to open, and behind this cover there will be a Phillips screw, and after this there's only clips that hold the door trim in place which we'll need to just pull off, and I'll put a video at the end of this one showing you how to refit, a trick to refitting the door trim panel. Get in between the door trim and the door panel and pull the bottom out, and then slide the door trim upwards out of the seal, and you can leave it hanging there. Next there'll be a torque screw on the inside mirror cover, and then the cable for the mirror which will run down as you can see, and we will need to unclip the cable and then unplug by pushing down onto the release of the plug. And then lastly we have the screw for the mirror itself, which is just the one screw, and then all it is wriggling the door mirror out. At the end, it's not the same vehicle, but the concept is the same. Get the clips and put them onto the door trim, and you will see it in the video how it's easy to put on.
Now, we will get white clips from the shell side, if there's any left on the shell when we remove the door trim, and put those white clips onto the door trim. So as you can see over here, there is a various clips. The reason why is because they slide on onto the door trim, and when putting it back on, it's easier to have them on the door trim instead of the door shell. And once you do that, here's how to perform putting on the door trim. First you want to put the top side and slide it in downwards into the window seal, and then once that slides in, if you put the clips onto the trim side, it'll just be a push on kind of effect, and a few slaps here and there. And this is pretty much applicable to all vehicles, even though this one's from a Citroen C4 Picasso.
As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.